Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you a very good recipe to make milkshake with the help of cocoa powder. For this some ingredients needed like milk, cornstarch and cocoa powder, sugar. So let's get started. First of all, take a pan and heat it up. Now you have to add a glass of milk in it. After this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. On the other side, take cornstarch and you have to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then add few drops of milk to mix both of these together very well. You have to mix properly so that no lumps remain. See, like this you have to do. After this, you have to add this mixture in the boiling milk. Now mix it for a minute on low flame gas only. You have to mix continuously. After a boil, turn off the flame. In a glass, add some ice cubes and then you can add your chocolate milk in this glass. Your chocolate milk is absolutely ready, and you can also add some chocolate pieces like this, and we are also adding some chocolate powder, and it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.